Hi, everyone. Here's an example of me giving a prompt to Cloud Desktop that is using Anthropic's MCP to access Agent.AI tools to actually generate a disk profile. And what we want to see is if it's able to automatically figure out what tools to go. So you can notice first thing it's doing is asking to go get the LinkedIn profile from Agent.AI. Um, it's figured out the profile handle, and then after that, it's searching. It's going and finding Dharmesh's LinkedIn profile. So this is very interesting. Initially, it just started by picking a LinkedIn profile, which was the wrong one. Then it went and it's trying to find the right one. So there you go. So this is another cool thing about autonomous agents is they can self-correct. They make a mistake, they go back. So it found the LinkedIn profile, but then realized that was not the Dharmesh from HubSpot. Then it's going and now getting the LinkedIn activity. Um, and then there's also going to go do Google search to understand more about Dharmesh's HubSpot background and then more information about his personality and work style. And so what you're noticing is that this agent is actually going deeper than my disk profile that I built, where it's going beyond just the LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn activity. But it is going and searching for his personality, work style. It's searching the web for information about Dharmesh. And then based on this, it's now going to hopefully generate a disk profile. And we will see how successful it is in generating a disk profile. But what you're seeing here is that all I gave it was an input, and based on that, it's able to go figure out what the steps are, figure out what tools to call, figure out whenever it makes a mistake, self-correct, and then come back and give you the response that I want. And here are his disk profile breakdowns, primary style, secondary style, other traits that are there. And it goes deep into like why, um, and gives you communication style, key strengths, potential growth areas, and interaction with other styles. And this is all the supporting evidence. So what you're seeing here is a good example of how I was able to build what I would call an autonomous agent in that it is able to call tools, it's able to figure out what to do, it's able to change, it's able to, go make the decisions that it needs to make to go get the output. Hopefully, you can start seeing the power of where autonomous agents are going to go and how this is fundamentally going to change the way we work.